How to create Google Family link or Google Family group here on the Google. So in this video, we're going to simply tell you all about that situation, that how you can simply set it up and add every member of your family to your Google group. Now, the first step you have to do is simply open the Google Chrome here on your device and then click on Get Started with Family Link. You can simply search on Set up Google Family Link here and then click on the first website here that will simply redirect you to the Google account. Now, you can use a family link application to create a Google account for your child, or you can add supervision to your child existing Google account and you can simply add Google Group or Google for Families. Now, this is get started with Family Learning Center in Google. Now, there is an option called Get Your Family Group Started. Create and build your family group. So you simply have to click on Create a Family Group here. And then here you can see it. Simply click on Get Started creating a family group. Then it will redirect you to the Google account. Click on Create a Family Group here. Click on Confirm. And here you have to select that you will be the manager of the group. You can type the email address here, click on send button. Now the person will simply accept the group incoming notification. They will be a member of your group. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.